Welcome back. Goa Recruitment Employment Society employees have threatened to go on a hunger strike from Wednesday if their demands are not fulfilled. The employees are not on duty from Saturday. They have asked government to reinstate security guards who are being sacked. They have accused CM Parrikar of not adhering to his assurances.
We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! हमारी मांगे पूरी करो! हमारी मांगे पूरी करो! हमारी मांगे पूरी करो!
जुनान गेले त्यांना त्यांनी यू टर्न मारलो आणि सांगलो आपण तुमका गॅरंटी दिना म्हणून. जाल्यार आता जुलैन ही आता त्यांनी परत एड धाडल्या. हे पळय एडवर्टायज जाल्या गोवा रिसर्च डेव्हलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशनाची. तेतून जे कामगार आता काम करतात त्यांनी ओटी घातल्यात पळय, वय म्हणजे क्वालिफिकेशन एज जे कितें घातला तेतून एक 25 किंवा 30 भुरगे सुटेबल जातले, बाकीचे सगळे घरा वयतले. आणि त्यांनी सांगले कितें सोसायटीन जो मनीस काम करता ताका एकट्याक भायर मारचो ना, आपूण सगळ्यांक घेतलो म्हणून. आता तशें जायना, हेज्या प्रमाणे ते जायना म्हणून आमी आता परत एकठायले. आता कितें करूया, आमचे फ्युचर कितें, ही जी हे तेणी दिल्या तेचेर परत फेर विचार करून जेनी जानेवारीत आमकां आश्वासन दिल्लें ते तेणी आपलें आश्वासन खरें करचें, तो शब्द पाळचो, इतलें आमचे मागणें तेच्या कडेन. एका कामगाराचेर अन्याय ना जातना तांकां सगळ्यांक भितर घेवचें. हे जर आमकां सोमार मंगळार पर्यंत जर तो विचार करून जर
चेंज करून जर पेपरार एड येना
जाल्यार आमी
बुधवार उपोशणार बसतले बुधवारच्या. आणि ऑल युनिटा गोंयान कितकी युनिटा तितकी बंद करून आमी उपोशणार बसतले. आमी जीएमसीच्या फुडल्या वाटेन.
Fishing is a challenge of hooking and landing of a fish. Management of Ideal School in Thaligao organized a fishing competition for school students. The main motive is to boost the morale of students by enduring patience and achieving its goal. This is the third year Ideal School is having an exciting outdoor activity for the students. Take a look.
This gives a team spirit, a motivation for them to raise their house. At the same time, discipline themselves, support, cooperate to keep the house a little higher so that they are competitive in the sense, not only in the activities but also in the sense of their academics, wherein it will give them a bit boost to raise the standard of our school.
Once in a year, we give an opportunity to our students to be out from the classroom, to be with nature, to experience nature. As you know, fishing is the major occupation of Goans.
Brazil will meet Germany in the first semi-finals of FIFA World Cup 2014. However, the hosts will miss star striker Neymar due to a fractured bone and captain Thiago Silva through suspension on Tuesday night. Brazil beat fellow South Americans Colombia by 2-1 in a thrilling quarter-final on Friday night. Earlier, Germany brushed aside the challenge from European rivals France by a solitary goal. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.